Okay, this is our second video.
Round 2 of going
Okay.
out.
We're going to Jess's house. Let's go. For everybody. Okay. Let's go.
Hola!
Lock yung door. Okay.
Proceed to Claremont Avenue. Then in 60 feet, take a right on West Side Avenue.
Oh, did you hear that? Hi. Ang mga baliw lumabas.
Oo.
Diba?
Ayaw paawat.
Mga walang magawa. Okay, let's go. Ooh, ground floor. Nasa si Paula? Ito na.
This is how we roll here in New York. I'm sorry, New Jersey.
See, there's no second take.
Just like life.
Huh?
There's no take two.
No.
Okay.
Oh, sige ha. Tatakbo tayo ha. From here to... Sige na.
Parang tumakbo.
Oh my God! Mas malakas siya, girl.
Oo nga.
Mas malakas siya.
Super effort na pala.
Proceed to Claremont Avenue.
Come on,
Take a right
proceed
on
here.
West Side Avenue. Then at the quarter mile, take a right on Mallory Avenue.
Dito.
Proceed on.
Oh my God. Crazy.
This is crazy. Oh, oh, oh. Shut the lakas! Okay. Look. It's all covered with snow.
Continue along this road.
Continue along this road. Okay. Ano, gusto na lumipat doon?
Okay na ako dito.
Turn around and proceed to Claremont Avenue. In 200 feet, take a right on West Side
Okay na ako
Avenue.
dito.
Dito ba tayo?